like he needs a very quick pit stop to try and get out. There's Will already underway. There goes, oh no, Franchitti has a problem. The fuel hose is still connected. So Franchitti has a major issue in pit lane and is going to lose a ton of spots.
And sometimes that creates a problem in the fuel tank. Even if you get off, you'll be leaking fuel.
And the other side of that, Eddie, and we talk about a fuel spill. Here we have it right now with the 14 car.
Look where Tracy's at. He's fourth.
Vitor Meira is in trouble there as they had that fire and quickly have extinguished it.
And because we saw this for Franchitti, there might be the same situation here. Everybody is in a hurry to make the fastest pit stop because it's getting close to the end of the race.
Remember the video we showed you back at the 1969 race? The late Lloyd Ruby pulled out too soon, broke a hole into the fuel cell, and here's what the fire looked like. As you can see, that is the ethanol, and boy.
And you can see the Buckeye over here on the left-hand side of the screen and the spring. That is all from the inlet nozzle that goes in to put the fuel into the tank. So no doubt the car was leaving before that had been pulled out completely.
Now the process is somebody tells him to go.
Let's go to Jack.
Guys, we had a lot of fuel spills. The fueler was covered in fuel, and he got some minor burns in his eyes, but Vitor Meira in fast action by the ABC supply crew and the Delphi safety team. They covered the entire car with water. Now, you wouldn't do that with your passenger car, but with ethanol, what it does is it disperses it. And Craig Baranowski is one of the chief mechanics. And Craig, what is the condition of your fueler?
We got to get a probe to get going.
The probe is broken, guys, and this is the big problem now. They've sent Vitor back out. They've got to totally replace the probe section before they can even bring him back in. So there's a little bit of bedlam going on down here right now, but everybody seems to be okay.
What I want to know is how in the world is he able to even go back out there? I mean, did you see the flames that were wrapped around him? Meira, and stayed on the lead lap. How's that for you?
How do you know if he doesn't have burns under his helmet? How do you know if there's water still floating around in the cockpit? There's so many things. If any of that water hits an electronic component, the car will stop.
All right, so obviously a moment that you just do not want to see happen in the race. And take a look. I mean, you would think right now this is serious, and it is. But yet, Vitor Meira is back out on the track. Unbelievable.